Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you remember from our last video, we mentioned we'll be doing a review of complete room systems, and here we are. A lot of customers have been asking about these models, and honestly, it's easy to see why. The main reason many companies consider this setup is because it runs on full Windows operating system that gives you a lot more flexibility compared to Android-based solution, which some companies tend to avoid due to security policies and compliance requirements. Today, we're taking a look at the Jabra PanaCast 50 room system, complete video conferencing system built for Microsoft Teams and Zoom Room. It combines the Jabra PanaCast 50 video bar, the Lenovo ThinkSmart Core, and the ThinkSmart controller. All work together in one seamless package. In this video, we unbox it, check out the design, and go through its main features, and show you why this system is a reliable choice for modern meeting spaces. Inside the PanaCast 50 box, you find the video bar itself with its integrated wall mount, a power supply, a power cable, the USB-C to USB-A cable, documentation, and the camera privacy cover. The device is protected with foam on all sides, and you'll notice the signature 3-camera array that gives you full 180-degree field of view. Next, the Lenovo ThinkSmart Core and controller box includes a compute unit wrapped in protective foam, its power supply, mounting bracket, screws, and documentation. The ThinkSmart Core controller comes with long USB-C cable, protective frame, and rubber grips on its base, so it stays firmly in place on the meeting room table. Everything is clearly labelled and neatly packed, so the installation process is simple and organized. The Jabra PanaCast 50 has a clean and modern look that blends well into meeting room environment. It has a fabric front that covers speaker array and microphones, along with the aluminium body that feels premium and sturdy. The triple camera setup sits in the center and uses Jabra's real-time stitching technology to deliver seamless 180-degree field of view. This feature really sets Jabra apart, as most competitors in the market only offers around 120-degree field of view. But recently though, Yearling introduced their new Meeting Bar A35, which expands that coverage up to 151 degrees. Definitely an interesting move. We'll cover that in one upcoming videos, so stay tuned for comparisons. The Lenovo ThinkSmart Core is compact and built to sit behind a display or mounted under a table. And the ThinkSmart Core controller features a bright 10.1-inch touchscreen with clean layout that makes it easy to start meetings, join calls, and manage room controls. The PanaCast 50 uses 330-megapixel camera and Jabra stitching algorithm to create a 180-degree panoramic view without distortion. It includes intelligent zoom, virtual rector, and dynamic framing features that automatically track speakers and adjust the shot to keep conversation natural. The system is fully certified for Microsoft Teams and Zoom Room, and since it runs on Windows-based platform, you also get the benefit of enterprise-grade security and regular system updates, which many IT teams prefer for compliant data protection. The ThinkSmart Core handles all processing, so you get a smooth and reliable meeting experience without needing to plug in a laptop. And the touchscreen controller gives you a simple one-touch joint access and room controls. Audio is definitely one of the strongest parts of Jabra PanaCast 50. Equipped with 8 beamforming microphone that captures voices clearly for up to 5 meters away, making it perfect for small to medium-sized meeting rooms. The microphone area uses intelligent algorithm to detect who is speaking and automatically focus on their voice, reducing background noise and echo for much cleaner sound experience. The built-in speaker delivers rich, natural audio that fills the room evenly. Jabra's advanced signal processing helps balance sound levels, so everyone, whether sitting close to the bar or at the far end of the table, hears the conversation clearly. Voices come through full and well-defined, without the hollow or tiny sound you sometimes get from other systems. In terms of setup, the PanaCast 50 works best in rooms that seats around 6 to 10 participants. Depending on the table layout, it's ideal for huddle rooms, small conference spaces, and mid-sized meeting room where you want consistent audio coverage and clear speech pick up across the table. If you're not sure whether this setup is right fit for your meeting room, feel free to reach out to our team at sales@society.com.sg. We're happy to give you some professional advice and help you find the best solution for your meeting spaces. Setting up the Jabra PanaCast 50 room system is surprisingly simple. Even if you're not super technical, you can either mount the video bar on the wall, just below the display, or place it on the tabletop, or display stand using the included mounting accessories. From there, connect the PanaCast 50 to the Lenovo ThinkSmart Core using the provided USB cable. The core acts as the brain of the system, so you want to connect it to your display via HDMI and plug into your room network for internet access. Next, position the ThinkSmart controller on the meeting table where it's easy for everyone to reach. Connect it with USB cable and make sure both controller and core are powered on. Once everything is connected, the system will automatically boot up and guide you through a quick on-screen setup process. From there, you can choose your preferred platform, Microsoft Teams Room or Zoom Room, allowing you using your business account. After the initial setup, your room is ready to go. With just one tap on touchscreen, you can start or join meeting instantly. It's clean, plug-and-play experience that minimizes setup time and gets your meeting room running smoothly in minutes. The Jabra PanaCast 50 room system is priced around 5K. This includes PanaCast 50 video bar, the Lenovo ThinkSmart Core, and the ThinkSmart Touch controller for an all-in-one certified meeting room solution with panoramic videos, strong audio, and easy room management. The bundle offers solid value for businesses. And if you require extended range between devices or greater mic coverage, for example, when your display and table is far apart, we can also offer UTP or fiber extension or ceiling mic options to make installation more flexible for larger rooms. This system is ideal for small to medium-sized meeting room that needs dependable and professional conference setup. It is especially suitable for companies using Microsoft Teams Room or Zoom Room as their main platforms. The wide 180-degree views makes it perfect for wider tables or meeting room where participants sit close to the camera. In short, the PanaCast 50 Room system delivers a complete and intelligent video conferencing experience with its panoramic camera systems, smart framing, high-quality microphone, and seamless integration with Teams Room and Zoom Room. It gives you everything you need for smooth hybrid meetings. If you're planning to upgrade your meeting rooms, this system is a strong choice that performs reliably in real-world use. Hey friends! Do you know we have a monthly exclusive newsletter for our community? Just scan the QR code to sign up and join 10,000 and growing like-minded IT and AV professionals. Once you're in, you unlock exclusive tech deals, sponsored demos, free shopping vouchers and more. All sent straight to your mailbox. Plus, you stay updated with the latest IT and AV trends, best practices and tips delivered right to your inbox. It's the easiest way to stay connected and never miss out. So don't just sit there staring. Go ahead and scan the QR code. It's totally free. If you want to get a PanaCast 50 room system or need help with meeting room setup, you can check it out at sourceit.com.sg or email us at sales@sourceit.com.sg for quotation, demos or bulk orders. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.